Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. No criminal proceedings shall be instituted against the governor of a state in any court during his term of office. 2. The emoluments and allowances of the governor of a state shall not be diminished during his term of office. Which of the following statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is C. Both 1 and 2. No criminal proceedings shall be instituted against the governor of a state in any court during his term of office, and the emoluments and allowances of the governor of a state shall not be diminished during his term of office. Your question is, to whom is the governor of a state responsible? Your options are A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Legislative Assembly, or D. Chief Minister. Right answer is B. President. Your question is, who remains in office as long as the President of India wishes? Your options are A. Governor, B. Election Commissioner, C. Judges of Supreme Court, or D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is A. Governor. Your question is, the Constitution of India does not contain any provision for the impeachment of. Your options are A. The President, B. The Governor of a state, C. The Chief Justice of India, or D. The Vice President of India. Right answer is B. The Governor of a state. Your question is, Article 156 of the Constitution of India provides that a governor shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office. Which of the following statements can be deduced from this? 1. No governor can be removed from office till the completion of his term. 2. No governor can continue in office beyond the expiration of a period of 5 years. Quotes. Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, the first lady to become governor of a state in India. Your options are A. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, B. Padmaja Naidu, C. Sarojini Naidu, or D. Sarla Grewal. Right answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Your question is, who amongst the following was the first woman governor of a state in free India? Your options are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Suchita Kripalani, C. Indira Gandhi, or D. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Right answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Your question is, 13th February is celebrated Women's Day every year in the memory of. Your options are A. Indira Gandhi, B. Kamala Nehru, C. Sarojini Naidu, or D. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Right answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Your question is, who among the following is not appointed by the state governor? Your options are A. Chief Minister, B. Members State Public Service Commission, C. Judges of High Court, or D. Advocate General. Right answer is C. Judges of High Court. Your question is, the governor who was dismissed in Rajasthan was. Your options are A. Dr. Sampurnanand, B. Raghukul Tilak, C. Sukhdev Prasad, or D. Bali Ram Bhagat. Right answer is B. Raghukul Tilak.